Good morning. This morning we're going to look at lenses. This is misbehaving again. Just bear with me a minute. See, can I get not into that? That's better. Lenses. Right. So, what does a lens do? Well, it's a device to bend light. That's what it does. And how does it bend the light? Well, we're back to this age-old one here. To bend, we're talking about refraction. So it's the refraction that bends the light. And the device, we'll talk about these devices. I mean, we'll just talk about your cornea. Your cornea is a lens. Your eye lens, believe it or not, is a lens. And then we have things like glasses and cameras. They all have lenses in them. So there's examples of lenses. And how these all work is you have refraction due to a change in velocity. Of the light in the medium. That's a lot of, not the same one word that. Right, so that's what refraction is, right? And if you don't know what it is, go back and look at the video or the animated mind map on refraction. So this cornea, that's the very front part of your curve of your eye. Then your eye lens, that's inside your eye. That's the thing that you get the cataracts on, and it's made out of protein. And if you denature the protein, it goes from clear to sort of cloudy, and that's why you have to get them either removed or fixed. Glasses are made out of glass or plastic, as it usually is now, and they refract the light so that you can see clearly onto your retina. And the cameras have come into their own since the invention of the phone. But these all use refraction to bend light, and that's what a lens does. So these are the lenses. So then we're just going to look at the two types of lenses that we get here. And we have concave lenses. Now we don't need to know a lot about concave lenses. Concave lens. And concave lens look something like this here. They're sort of thicker on the ends, and then they go into the center like that there. That's the concave lens. You draw it in a lens diagram like that. You see the way these arrows are going out to show you that it goes in like that. That's the way it goes in. So that's your concave lens. And the mnemonic for that is L-E-N-D. A lens which is concave is diverging. So it's also known as a diverging lens. And that's about all we need to know about it. That'll summarise all that you need to know about it. At A level you need to know a wee bit more than that. The other type of lens that you can get is the convex lens. And the convex lens is that shape. And if when you're drawing it, you draw it like this in the lens diagrams. You see the way that sort of goes that way? See that? That's your convex lens. And the mnemonic for that is LXCP. So a lens that is convex is converging. That's got a focal length that's positive. Now that'll do you for A level, but that's all we need to know. So this one here is the one that we really want to look at. This is page 444. Page 444 of your textbook, so you can have a look at it. And what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to draw how the convex lens works, and then I'll do a separate a separate animated mind map for the lens diagram, but here we have a lens. And as you can see, trying to get this lined up here, all the fun I can have. Move down. Right, well, say we have a ray of light that comes in here. So this is a ray of light coming into a convex lens. So there's the ray of light. Hopefully this will draw. Lovely. There's the ray of light coming in. How do I know it's coming in? Because the arrow tells me where it's coming from. Now I'm going to set up a normal here. I'm just going to draw a normal. There's the normal. And here we have air. And here we have glass. Right? So we're going from less dense to more dense. Less dense. Less dense to more dense. Less dense to more dense towards the normal. So the ray of light should travel straight through, but it doesn't. It bends towards the normal. So there's it towards the normal. Look, it should go straight on through, but it doesn't. It bends because of refraction, because of a change in speed towards the normal. Now I'm going to draw another normal at this interface. Right, so we're now going from more dense to less dense, so it'll be away from the normal. So what that should do is do that there. It should go straight like that, but it doesn't. It bends away from the normal, like so. And that is how a lens works. Refraction happens at two surfaces, and the refraction at the two surfaces bends the light. And that is a converging, convex, same thing, lens. So that is how lenses work. Now, in the next video or animated mind map, what I will do is I will do the rules for drawing images in lenses. That'll do this one. Thank you. Bye.